Well, yes, Wendy's has burger and Domino's has pizza. But, you know what else Wendy's has?
Fries.
And fries. You know what else Wendy's has?
Burger.
And what else? It's super important for Sonia.
Burger too.
No?
Burger to Granddad.
Salad? Yeah.
My God, food.
What you said?
Maybe I'm saying thank you for my God food.
Okay, then you're supposed to eat your food, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you should eat it.
I can't be.
No, you should eat it.
Eh?
You should eat it. Show me you know how to eat it. How do you eat it?
Thank you.
One spoon at oh, okay. Just get your face in there. All right. That's good? All right. Doctor gave you a juke?
Look.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Mara's went to the doctor. Has some germ infection thing going on from apparently dirt. Playing in the dirts.
Ano din silang antique din?
So he's got his medication and he's going strong and he's still working on. Hold on. Good. And you're gonna leave your nose alone, right? Yeah, all day. Not touching it one time. You don't like the coconut medicine?
No.
That's the best kind, man. Are you sure?
No.
Does it taste like coconut?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's a good reason to have coconut medicine.
No, I'm
And okay, well, how about you eat your cornflakes instead?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see it. How do you do it? No, you got to show them how to actually do it. You can't fake it. This is real. This is reality TV. You got to actually eat some.
So you put your face on my bowl, yeah? Your face.
Start to eat like Dave, huh? Okay. Going on with the C's this morning. Coffee, callaloo, crackers,
Me.
and cereal, and cornflakes. They're all C's. And what?
Me and Craig, not Dio.
And Craig. Craig also starts with a C. And Junior's going to go back to his egg with his backwards pajama shirt. Junior, your egg is on the stove. That means you're in the kitchen. Yeah. Hey, eat your cornflakes. How do you do it? Oh, okay. That's one way how to do it. Meanwhile, Junior's earning in more of our trust. He might not. He might not. How many eggs is that, dude? How many eggs is that?
Two. I'm spinning mine.
That's 2 eggs.
I'm story.
No,
Story.
that's 2 eggs.
Yes, mine.
Okay, when you fold it in there, you got to be careful because the inside is not going to cook as fast as the outside. So you got to make sure that you leave it on for a little bit so the inside can cook. But yeah, you missed the target a little bit. No, leave that. Wait till it cools to clean it off. All right, Chef Junior, you might not be able to put a shirt on the right way, but you can make an egg. Make sure we turn this off when you're done. Yeah. Good luck. Happy weekend, man. First round of coffee's done. Yep, water came in the pipe a little after 1. That's my rhyme. It was done at about 2:30, almost 3 o'clock in the morning. Whew. But yesterday, Sonia and I went on an adventure. We went all the way to the land of Constant Springs through the Junction Road to pick up a care package that was sent with care by one of our subscribers from Canada. Shout out. Thank you very much.
Hey!
Hey! Watch the ball. So we're going to do a little package reveal today, a little unboxing or unbagging this time. And I will quote, as she stated, it's a little weighty. And I found that out because you go to the tax office in Constant Springs, it's really busy and there's no place to park. So then you got to park across the street at the shopping mall and act like you're shopping and run across the street and find her at the tax office and grab the bag and run back across the street, put it in the car, and then you go shopping and maybe have Wendy's for lunch. What? Of course not. We okay, maybe a little bit. It was only, we didn't have a Frosty though, if it makes you feel better. Yeah, we were gonna choose between Domino's and Wendy's. And you want to know the reason Sonia chose Wendy's over Domino's? I bet you can't guess the reason. Don't tell her I told you this.
Okay.
What do you think the reason is she chose Wendy's over Domino's?
Do IRIE?
Think about it, Dave. Wendy's over Domino's. You know
Too
Sonia very well. Too what?
Expensive.
Does Sonia ever worry about money? Come on now. What do you think? For how well you know Sonia, what's the one reason she's gonna choose Wendy's over Domino's?
Because Wendy's burger tastes good.
Well, yes, Wendy's has burger and Domino's has pizza. But, you know what else Wendy's has?
Fries.
And fries. You know what else Wendy's has?
Burger.
And what else? It's super important for Sonia.
Burger too.
No?
Bega to granddad.
Salad? Yeah. This guy, salad, yeah. Oh, there's one thing that it has that Domino's didn't have.
Just on the teeth in the
I got some callaloo in my teeth. Thank you.
Yeah.
No, Dave, it is. You ready for this? Wendy's had a restroom.
Oh,
Maris, one and done, dude. One and done. Or one and run. Maris? No. Like, you gave him one already. Yeah. Hey. You forgot the run part. You do one, then you run. Run. Yeah. So, anyway, yeah, it was fantastic. But we got a care package to open today. And I found out Kingston floods, like, bad. Like, we were only in Congress Springs, and it came down. And, wow. Like, you got to move over a lane because otherwise you're going to be creating a boat for your car. And last but not least, you know what I found out? It was flooding. Mars, chill. It was flooding in Kingston, just pure rain. And we get up at Junction Road over the mountain, sunshine. Sunshine. We went from downpour rain to sunshine just by going up over the mountain. No rain here. More sunshine. Ugh, I know. So we're going to open a care package. You ready? You want to help get it? It's in the trunk. Be careful. It's a little weighty.
I get the car key.
No, you're not having the car key, Dave. This guy's got jokes. Car keys. All right, sir. See if you can handle it. It's a little weighty. Weighty. I see you struggling, Dave. You don't have to show up. Oh, really? Really? Keep. Well, no, walk. Let's walk. Walk in a straight line.
Not in my trip.
In my trouble. In my trouble. All right. Gift opening. Here we go. Ooh, look at that bag. Cool. Good morning. Andre, there's something different about you. Are you? Hold on. What is different? I know, Mars is. Come here. Something's different about you. Is it a new hairstyle? No? Did you have a runny nose? No? Did you pierce your ears? No? Is that a new shirt? Did you brush your teeth? What happened, dude? I know. It is a new necklace. No. We'll see if Mars can find out. What's different? Oh, hey, you brushed your teeth. Look at you. Okay. They're really, really white and sharp. Yeah. Okay, great. Vampire Andre. All right, sneak attack. Go. 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 That was the cue. On 3. 1, 2, 3, go. We're going. There, he's off the phone. Go. We're going. Let's go. 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 Don't be afraid. They're more afraid. He doesn't have any garlic, dude. It's okay. No? Morris! Come here. Morris? Guess who's here? Guess who's here? I think that worked. Andre got a new set of teeth. Okay. All right. First rule of gifts from foreign: do not cut the bag. Dave wanted to go for the scissors. I said nay. Yay! All right. What do we got? What's coming all the way from the Canada?
Goldfish.
Goldfish, which is amusing because apparently they come in different colors, not just gold. Yay! Oh my gosh, do you know what this is? It is a bag of what? You guys, no, Junior, chill. You don't even know what this is, do you? You don't even know what this is. The best kind of rice in the whole wide world. Basmati rice, my friend. Basmati rice. That's not light. What? Boy. Oh no.
Macaroni. Mac and cheese.
It is mac and cheese. Look, KD original. I don't think we ever had KD.
Kids.
I don't think that says kids. It says KD. Oh, what does it say?
Original.
Prepared in Canada. That's how you know. But wait, there's more. Is that what I think it is?
No.
Basmati rice round 2 without a handle. I don't even need weights today. Boy. Oh my. Maybe I don't get one. Give that one to Sonia. Where's my fork? Sonia, what is it?
That's higher.
Junior,
Take your body out of my way.
chill.
Whole here.
Oh, you know it's from Canada because it's in French. So we turn it over. Now it's in English. With whitening breath strips, just so we need. And especially some of us. Who brushed their teeth last night? Don't answer that question.
None of them.
Brush my teeth when
Yeah,
we
we
eat
not
of
brush
it.
you.
I hope so.
When we eat it.
Sonia, what's in the bag? What's in the bag?
When you
I-
together brush your teeth.
Sonia,
And soup.
I don't. Are you sure?
I don't think so. Come here, just again. What going to brush your teeth?
Oh, hand soap. We always could use more hand soap. Trust me. I don't know where it goes.
Moisturizing cream. Spa
It's
soap.
moisturizing. Sonia's gonna be here a while.
Cream.
And we got some oil just for. Ooh. Oh, speaking of oil, we gotta decide: are we gonna bake the chicken wings or fry the chicken wings?
Fry.
Right. You buy chicken wings?
We did buy chicken wings
No, can't
when we
get
were in
them.
Kingston yesterday. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. We might camp. We might not. Who knows? All right, Junior. Can you thank Miss Anani Mus? You gotta come over here though and get in the camera.
Thank you for buying this.
You have to tell them their name. Junior, the camera's over here. You got it.
And
Junior.
waiting for no money.
Anani Mus. Right here.
Thank you, Anonymous.
Anani Mus.
Anonymous
Uh-huh.
for buying the jasmine rice, the goldfish.
It's not jasmine rice, dude. It's basmati.
Basmati
It's better
rice.
than jasmine. Sorry, Jasmine.
And goldfish, and the toothpaste, and the iron, the soap, and the cake.
KD mac and cheese. All right, careful. 2 hands. Carry that to Craig, please. Don't drop it. Okay? Careful. Careful. All right, car wash.
What kind of wine is the orange? Orange.
It's the original flavor, dude.
Orange.
All right, gentlemen, it is time for the official Canada mac and cheese evaluation. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Mars, we need to know how good or how not so good. Mars, the mac and cheese. The mac and cheese. Andre, you're gonna start. How's the mac and cheese? The Canadian mac and cheese.
Good.
Wait, let me see. Good.
Good, granddad. The mac and cheese tastes good and it have more cheese.
Oh yeah.
And
So
I love it.
is it better than the mac and cheese that we have here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh wow, Dave, give me a mac and cheese evaluation.
Like the mock.
The mac.
Yeah, it's small. Like it.
I see it. Yeah.
And then the whole heap of cheese.
Okay.
It's sweet and tastes good.
Interesting. So you approve?
What is it?
I don't know. Do I? Do I want to try it?
Yeah.
It is cheesy. It is good. It's mac and cheesy.
Taste it, please.
Coffee's almost gone. I think we're still a little ways away. You still want to go for it? Hmm? Hey, how about you come down real quick? I got something I gotta tell you. It's what?
Money.
I told you.
Remember, you told me last night.
I told you not to say nothing, and now you're saying something?
Yeah.
You're still gonna act surprised? Okay, let me see your surprised face. Hey, Andre, guess what?
What?
I've got a surprise for you.
What?
You got a friend on the YouTube.
What is his name?
Shauna. Shauna Jackson.
Oh.
Or Shayna. Sorry, Shayna. Shauna? Shauna? I think it's Shauna. Shayna? S-H-A-N-A. What do you think it is?
I think it's Shauna.
Okay. Well, Miss Shauna wanted you to get some money to buy ice cream for everybody. And whatever's left over, she said you could go buy whatever it is you wanted. You ready to hear the amount? You sure? Here, I'll whisper it to you. Come here. Is that a lot of ice cream?
Yeah, man.
That's a lot of ice cream. Yeah. You got something you want to tell Shauna?
Thank you for doing this chemical. I'll be glad. Thank
What?
you for Nico.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right, this coconut's for you, right? You gonna share?
Yeah, may I give them one too?
Okay, we're gonna pick one for them too. Hopefully. Shauna, thank you very much. The boys will enjoy some ice cream today. Who knows what Andre will figure out? The ladder's not going anywhere, dude. Where are you going?
I'm going up the tree.
I think that's as far as you can go, dude.
No, I am going.
I think that's it, man. I'm going for the bamboo. Morris, where's the bamboo?
See.
Ah, I see it. All right, you got it? Yeah. I think you're gonna need some help.
Me.
All right, you help them. Yeah. I think you should go, Morris. I think the other one might be taller. Whichever one's taller. All right, you got it. You're doing great. We'll figure it out. Chicken. I'm getting your dust bath on. Little sunshine and some dirt, huh? Get 'em. All right, gentlemen, to the coconut tree.
Oh, what's up? We are bringing you.
All right. There we go. Guess what I found?
Coconut.
Man, I climbed all the way up the tree and got it.
You can drink cold.
No, I didn't. It's leftover from yesterday. We didn't realize it. I think it's...
Me. No one do
I still
it.
hear something inside.
Me.
Here.
No one do it.
Hold on. It's heavy, dude. Of course. Here. No, I didn't.
More
Let's see if this one's any good first, and then we'll go from there. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Rolling away coconuts. All right, let's find the machete and try it. Excuse.
Sorry, but I might coconut this and this.
That's what you would say, huh?
I put diamond in there.
Excuse.
Hey! Run, I told me that.
out of there. What's your question?
Me don't understand. Me understand the one boy I smell,
Okay.
but me don't understand the one there. When the ice melts, it's still a little bit hot.
Okay. Well, what do you think the heat did to the ice? It
Melted.
melted it. So when the ice is no longer in the cup and it's melted, and now all the cup is a set temperature, what's going to cool off the tea?
Ice.
The ice is gone. It melted. It's in the tea.
You find out this last minute.
Right. So it's going to take a little while, but yeah, once the cold ice is melted and now it's the said temperature as everything else in there, it'll be a little cooler, but it's still going to be kind of warm because there's nothing left to cool it off except the outside air, which is going to take a lot longer.
If you put it in the fridge, it can get cold.
Yeah. Why?
Because it's hot and in the fridge it's cold.
So why doesn't the fridge get hot instead of the tea getting cold?
Oh, me know why the fridge have more power than the tea.
Oh. How about you? How about you take some of the tea's power and drink it? Science.
Breaking news. So, if you were the teacher for the day, what would you do? Would you make any change in your class and why? If I was the teacher for the day, I would do a lot of things. First of all, in the morning, I would bring breakfast for my kids.
Your kids.
And then start the class. I would teach maths and addition. After maths, I would play a little game with the kids. Secondly, I would change their behavior and make them do chores in the class. The reason why I want to change their behavior is because they are rude and because they keep the class dirty. Crime time news. Oh.
See. Yeah, I was but not actually.
able to catch it on camera, but somebody ran away. Somebody ran away with their friend to go all the way to Kingston and leave all of the boys to be boys. I won't mention any names or pointy fingers, but it's gonna be interesting. Where's everybody else? Where's everybody else? Okay. Where's Mars? No, I don't. Where's his band-aid? Anyway, Andre, I guess you gotta tell him about the surprise.
Wait,
Hello, without the teeth. Mares, where's your band-aid? Where's your band-aid?
Take it off.
I'm talking to Mares, thank you.
Andre, brother.
Mares, where's your band-aid?
Where you two do?
yes, sir.
Mares, hold on. Mares, where's your band-aid? Okay, well you're not gonna get another one, dude.
It's definitely no. Yes.
Good, well then leave your nose alone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Andre, go ahead.
Yes, sir. When you Miss Shana say she I give me $7,000 and I buy ice cream for all I know. Yeah.
Nobody's cheering. Wow, okay.
No.
They're speechless.
Hey!
Yay! One
And I
person.
want a little bit near my ice cream for all I know.
Okay, hey, little picnic, get your belt on. Sit down. Andre, we can't go get ice cream unless you sit down and get a belt on. We're never getting out of here. We're never getting out of here. We're never getting out of here.
Oh.
Sit down. Seat belt. And then move the chair over. How about you just move the chairs over so we can sit down? Mara, sit down.
My chain on go over
Oh,
Junior.
it must be juniors then. Alright, we're gonna figure this out. Oh, speaking of which, we're going to cheat. We're having tacos tonight, jerk chicken tacos, but we're gonna buy the jerk chicken, take it off the bone, and then buy all the fixins as well. We got lettuce, we got tortillas, we got cheese. You guys figure out what else we need.
I'll be sure that I do it.
Andre, sit down. Hi, Gate. That was interesting. That was a reminder of like what happens when you buy ice cream for a bunch of kids in the hot sun and how fast the ice cream can melt. Dave, your door is not shut. Your door is not shut.
No, I don't.
Yay! Everybody's got their belts on. We got jerk chicken. We got vegetables. We got ice cream. We got peanuts. Hi. That's an old Noah right there. And now we're going home.
Go. Mate.
See that? Nicely jerked chicken. Now, I wish you could smell it. Sorry, not smell-o-vision yet. But ideally, I was gonna have the kids in here, you know, taking the meat off the bone for our jerk chicken tacos tonight. But having been a worker of the restaurant arts, I realized that if I have the kids in here and I'm not supervising, or even if I am supervising, there's a strong likelihood that a lot of this jerk chicken is going to disappear. So they're off riding around. I'm going to debone the jerk chicken, slice up the vegetables, get ready for some fantastic jerk chicken tacos tonight. And if some of it disappears, well, it happens. A small price to pay for jerk chicken tacos. You gotta make sure it's not poisonous, right? Well played. Got 4 quarters. Made in the drum and everything, man. But not jerk chicken's gotten kind of dear, kind of expensive. We got 4 leg quarters for just over $20 US. It is not the Costco rotisserie oven, that is for sure. But you know, sometimes in life you gotta enjoy things. So I'm gonna take the bone off. Try not to eat too much, and ready for some tacos later tonight. Cool. What time is it? Yeah, that's right. The sun is set, man.
What time is it? Look,
I know, he's plenty dirty, I'm sure. Great. Okay, we'll take time here. Good look. Sun's setting, you better get riding. Andre, I don't think you're supposed to go in a bush like that, dude. Oh boy. Let's go. All right. All right, gentlemen. You got this? Emma. Emma, you got to get the other one. Good job, Emma. Good job. Okay. We only have 2 Mars. You guys got to share. They're going to run them up and down the road real quick. Junior, under control. Under control. All right. There they go. Bye-bye. Oh, you got it. Junior, you're not. Okay. You're doing great. They're gone. Bye-bye. Oh, hang on to the leash. You got to come back, Junior. Come back. No. All All right, he's coming back. Mares, watch out. They're coming back. Mares.
Don't drink that.
Hey, a dog pulled him. All right. This is Junior. You got it. You're doing great, Junior. That was something. All right. Well, we'll keep working on it. Man. I thought they were gonna run. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh, I think Spot's winning. Spot's running to his girlfriend. Oi. Watch out, Andre. Watch out, Andre. All right. Good job. Spot's like, I'm running to my girlfriend. Again. 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 We're going again? Round 2? All right, fix the leash. Fix the leash. All right. Mares, let Dave do it, man. They're going to be fast. Mares. Are you going to walk there and run back? Okay. Okay. Yeah, Sonia called. Marie's car broke down. True story. Yeah. Sonia is in Kingston still. So she's got a taxi. Hopefully. All right. I feel like I just said that. She's got a taxi. And then you're like, she's got a taxi? And I was like, she's got a taxi. And then you were like, she's got a taxi. Yeah, at her sister's. But she's on her way. Hopefully. Well, we did it. We got dinner on the table, got dinner off the table, got everybody fed, got all the dishes done, swept up, wiped off the table, got all the kids bathed, got myself bathed, having like a little Mr. Mom moment, man. Just like, dang, it's a lot of work getting this many kids taken care of and situated and staying sane, especially if you're not feeling 100%. But even though there's no monetary gain from it, it's amazing the sense of accomplishment that you have. And I'm almost ready. Now I got to get ready for a game of Crazy Eights. It's crazy, man. Sonia's still on her way home. Put all the leftovers in the fridge. It's one of those days where you're like, you wonder, how did my parents ever do this? Like every day for fun. My parents specifically, they had 1, 2, 3. I should know this by now. 5 kids, including me. Yeah, 5 kids. And my mom had a daycare. That's even more kids. Oh. Nope, not Sonia. Either way, it's been a great day. We survived another one. Thank you guys for tuning in and enjoying the adventure along with us. Hi, here's Batman to steal my show. What are we doing? What's the plan?
The game is ready.
The game's ready?
Yeah.
What's the game tonight? Crazy Eights.
And
Go fish.
now what my last shirt said.
Oh.
It's not this.
Oh, it's the Let's Be Friends? Is that what it said? What did it say?
It says go fish.
The shirt said go fish?
What are them? You don't remember?
I don't remember.
You remember the shirt that I have on Tuesday?
Andre, I don't even know the shirt that I had on Tuesday. I'm supposed to know which shirt you had on? We're ready. We're telling the YouTubers to have a good night. Man, look at this. They're going... Andre, you're hitting the camera, dude. Cool. And the dog. So yeah, I took care of them too. All right, you ready to play? All right, tell him good night.
That you're so crazy. I'm so goofy.
Andre, I'm gonna hit the button. Say bye.
Yeah. Good night, YouTube. Are you gonna get
Yeah.